So thanks for joining me on my brand new channel. My name's Gareth. I'm a photographer and filmmaker based in Sheringham, North Norfolk. In this video, I am going to be showing you how I use the interlocking profile grid on Instagram to stand out. So as I said in the introduction, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I use Photoshop to set up my interlocking Instagram feed. It's worth pointing out at this point that if you want to bypass the setup stage of the document, you can go ahead to my Buy Me a Coffee page where you can purchase the PSD for a very small price. If you become a follower, then you can download it for free. If you don't already have a copy of Photoshop, then you can grab a copy for a trial in the link in the description below. And I guess we should just jump in. So the first thing you're going to want to do is have all of your photos ready to go. I've got them here ready in a folder, ready to drop straight into the Photoshop document. So we're going to head over to Photoshop and click Create New. And then over here, we need to enter a 10x3 grid. So for this, we need 3240 pixels, and then we need 10800 pixels. That gives us the 3x10, but you can change that. So for example, if you just wanted a 3x3 grid, you would just need 3240 by 3240 pixels. So we're gonna click Create. Then that gives us a canvas. Now what we need to do is add the grid that we're gonna start filling in. And to do that, you come up to View, then go down to New Guide Layout. And for me, I need 3x10. If you're doing a 3x3, then it's just 3x3. So we've got 3 columns and 3 rows. Then what we need to do is bring in all our photos. So I'm just going to drag and drop those in. Now that we have all of our photographs imported, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start arranging them, making them smaller, and then I'm just going to get at how I want them to look in the end. And I will just speed through this bit. Right, now that I have got the layout as I want it, we need to split each image into, or each part of the grid into an individual image. And the way we do that is by using the slice tool. And you can find that here underneath the crop tool. Just click on the slice tool there. And then what we're going to do is slices from grids. And now that's split each one of those sections into its own image. Now to save that, we need to head to Export, Save for Web Legacy. Over here, you can see we can change the quality that we're going to use. I always just leave mine on maximum. Gives us the best image quality. And then what we're going to do is go to Save. Find where we want to save. I recommend using Google Drive or Dropbox just so that it's easy to access the images on your phone. So let's make a new folder for this. Tutorial Instagram images. Really matter what we call this, but I'm just going to call it I can't spell today. Instagram. And then what we need to do is under here where it says slices, we need to make sure that you click all slices and then click save. Now that'll go through and that'll save each individual one of those images as an image in that folder that we just made. Then what I would do is I would go up onto my phone, I would download the images in the correct order and then post them onto Instagram. It's important to note that you need to post them in reverse order. So when you're posting them, you need to start with this one, to that one, to that one, and then work back like this all the way through. Otherwise, it'll all get jumbled up. So that was it. I guess if you stayed this long, then you must have got something out of it. So if you could give me a like, that would be awesome. If you're new here, which this is my first video, so of course you are, if you could hit the subscribe button to see more coming up soon, that would be amazing. And I guess I will see you in the next video.